Thinking about new windows for your Park City home? Read this first. Replacing your windows is a big step. Make sure you avoid these common pitfalls that cost homeowners time, money, and stress. Mistake number 1, not confirming if your installer is licensed and insured. Always ask to see their licensing and insurance certificates. Don't just take their word for it. Mistake number 2, accepting the first estimate you receive. Get at least 3 quotes so you can compare pricing and what each company includes. Mistake number 3, picking the cheapest installer without thinking about quality. The lowest bid isn't always the best. Choose a company that balances fair pricing with excellent workmanship. Mistake number 4, skipping the research phase. Check reviews, look at past projects, and talk to previous clients. A good reputation speaks volumes. Mistake number 5, not asking about warranties and follow-up service. Understand exactly what's covered, for how long, and who to call if you need help later. Now, your top questions answered. How long does it take to install new windows? Every home is different. Timelines depend on how many windows you're replacing and any special requirements. Is there a warranty? Yes, we offer a solid warranty on our installations, so you can feel confident for years to come. Can you help me pick the right windows? Absolutely. Our team will guide you to the best options for your style, needs, and budget. Do you provide free estimates? Yes, no strings attached. What materials do you use? We install only high-quality, durable materials that stand up to Park City's climate. Is financing available? We do offer flexible financing to make your project more affordable. How do I set up an appointment? Call us at 435-800-0625 or visit our website to book your consultation. Can I see references? Of course. We're proud of our work and happy to connect you with satisfied homeowners. Why choose us? We're known for our attention to detail, premium materials, and friendly, reliable service. Are your installers licensed and insured? Yes, your peace of mind is our priority. Let's make your window project easy. Upgrade your home's look, comfort, and energy efficiency with Park City Affordable Windows. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation consultation. Call 435-800-0625 or visit parkcityaffordableWindows.com.